Are you wondering if a professionally written resume is even worth it? I mean, with all the online resources and ChatGPT and other AI tools out there, why can't you just DIY your resume? Here's what the research says. The average cost of a professionally written resume is about $800. At Upward Resume, it's under $500. But the research says that a professionally written resume can boost your earning potential by 7 to 32%. That means a professionally written resume is one of the highest return investments you can make in your career. A $500 resume can mean tens of thousands of dollars in earning potential and can save you hours of hassle and headache trying to write your own resume. Here's what makes a professional resume worth it compared to a DIY or an AI resume. First of all, it is really hard to write about yourself. It feels awkward, it feels braggy, and I see our clients really struggle to identify which pieces of their career are important for their resume and which ones are just extraneous details. Here's the kicker. As a professional resume writer, I find that my clients really struggle to show their value on paper. They know how to list tasks and projects, but they struggle to know how to package it so it shows value for a potential employer. So the resume comes out bland and generic and not impressive, not something that's going to stand out or set them apart. And I see this even for our clients who literally write marketing copy for a living. At Upward Resume, we match each one of our clients with one of the resume rock stars on our team. You'll have a phone consultation with your writer, and they'll help you identify what's the impressive content from your career that's going to make for a good resume. If you're ready to stop wrestling with your resume, if you're ready to make a high return investment in your career, then reach out to us at Upward Resume.